Morning students, welcome to the class. Now start. Here students, 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Here students, this 4 is called quotient. The division answer is called quotient. Okay students, the division answer is called quotient. This one is division. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. This one is answer. This answer is called quotient. The division answer is called quotient. Here students, this number is called divisor. The number that we divided by, that number is called divisor. The number that we divided by, that number is called divisor. Okay students, the number that we divided by is called divisor. This 16 number is called dividend. The number to be divided, the number to be divided is called dividend. Here students, 16, 4 4 ja 16, 0 is there. Yes, no? This one is divisor. This one is quotient. This one is answer students. This one is quotient. And this 16 is dividend. And this 0 is okay students. Here another one is there students. 17 is there. 2 here students. 2 8 ja 16. Yes students, 2 8 ja 16. 17 minus 16, 1 is there. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay students. Here students, this 17 number is called dividend. And this 8 number is your answer. This 8 number is called quotient. And this 2 number is called divisor. And this 1 number is called remainder. Here students, this one is 8 is answer. The division answer is called quotient. And this one is dividend students. The number to be divided, that number is called dividend. And the number that we divided by is called divisor. And this one is remainder. Okay students, this one is remainder. Here students, 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 is there. Okay students, yes, no? 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. You see there. Here 15 right, here 5 right. 5 3 ja 15. Yes, no students? 5 3 ja 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Here this one is 3. Your answer is there. The division answer is called quotient. And this one is divisor. And in between place this number is 15 is dividend. Yes, no students? Dividend. Here this one is dividend, this one is divisor, this answer is quotient. Okay students. And here students, What is the answer in a division called? What is the answer in a division called? The division answer is called quotient. Yes, no students? The division answer is called quotient. Here write quotient. And student, what do you do to the share things equally between people? What do you do to share things equally between people? When you equal share, no, that time you what do? You do here division. Okay students, you do division. What is the number that is to be divided in a division called? That is to be divided in a division called dividend. Okay students, dividend. What is a division? What is a division? Division is the division meaning is equally share. Okay students, what is division? Division is equally share. Division as a repeated subtraction. Okay students, and here let us practice 7.2 is there. Divide using the repeated subtraction. Yes students, here division as a repeated subtraction. For example, here students, I explain one by one here. Division as a repeated subtraction. Here students, this one is divide using the repeated subtraction. You use here repeated subtraction is there students. The first one is there, 15 divided by 5 is there. Here students, 15 divided by 5. You see there students, 15 minus 5 equal to 15 minus 5, 10. Again this one 10 here write 10, this 5 as it is right. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. This 5 here write 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay students, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Here how many times repeated here? 5 students. 5 is repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Yes, no students? You see there here 15, 5 and here 5 3 ja 15. Here 15 minus 15, 0. Here also 0 is there students. How many times repeated 5 here? 1, 2, 3 times. Yes, no students? Otherwise division as repeated subtraction. Okay students, division as repeated subtraction, because here 5 is 3 times repeated. Okay students, and another one is there, 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. Division as repeated subtraction, no? 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4, 12 is there. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Here 4 is how many times repeated students? 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 times repeated. Yes, no? 4 is 4 times repeated. Otherwise division as repeated subtraction. You see there here 16, 4 is there. 4 4 ja. Yes, no students? 4 4 ja 16. 16 minus 16, 0. The answer is 4. 4 is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Yes, no students? And another one is there. 18 divided by 6 is there. 18 divided by 6. 18 minus 6 equal to 12 is there. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Yes, no students? 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 6 how many times repeated here students? 1, 2, 3 times repeated. Yes, no? 6 is 3 times repeated. When here 0 coming, you stop this one. Okay students? 6 3 times repeated, otherwise division as repeated subtraction. And here students, 21 divided by 3 is there. 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 21 minus 3 equal to 18, no students? Yes. 18 minus 3 equal to 15. 15 minus 3 equal to 12. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, no students? This 3 here write. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. How many times here 3 repeated here students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, no? 3 7 are 21, no? 3 7 times repeated. Yes, no students? 3 7 times repeated. You see there. 21 minus 3 equal to 18. This 18 here right students. 18 minus 3 equal to 15. You minus do coming that one answer students here. And this 15 is here right. 15 minus 3 equal to 12. This 12 is here again right. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 here right. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Here 3 is 7 times repeated. Otherwise division as repeated subtraction. And here students, another one is your homework students. You practice that one. And here second one question. Look at the number lines given below and fill in the blanks. Look at the number lines given below and fill in the blanks is there students. Here students, the A1 is there. 10 divided by 5 equal to dash. Here how many groups? That one here write only. Here 1 2 groups. Here write you only 2 number. Okay students. Here students, 12 divided by 2. I explain this one students. You see there, the question is 12 divided by 2 equal to dash. Division on a number line. You first write one line is there. You draw first one line students here. And you write here 0 to 12 number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 is there students. You write 0 to 12 number because here 12 number no, otherwise you write here 12 number. And here students, you jump to 2 number. Here 2 number no, otherwise you jump 2 number. You start this side. First you start this side. Here you start this side. 2 number jump. 1 2 here coming students. And again 2 number. 1 2 here. Because here 2 number no, otherwise you jump to 2 number. Here again 1 2 number. Here coming this one. Again 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Here how many groups here students? 1 2 3 4 5 6 groups. Here write 6 over students. This one you see there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. Here write 6 is there. Okay students, you start this side. Another one is there. 15 divided by 3. This one is called division on number line. Okay students, this one is called division on a number line. Here students, you draw one line. Okay students, again you write here students 0 to 15 number. 0 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 is there. How many numbers jump here? 3 numbers jump here, students. And which side start? You start here last 15 numbers to start here, students. You this one 15 not read here, students. Next number read here. 1, 2, 3 here coming this one. Again this 12 not read here, students. Here 1, 2, 3 here. And here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many groups here, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5 is your answer. You see there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Here write 5. And this one is your homework is there, students. Okay, students. And here students, let us practice 7.3 is there. Here students, properties of division is there, students. When first here 0 coming, okay students, 0 divided by any number coming, here you write 0. Okay students, when here 0 coming, first 0 coming, you write here 0. 0, you for example here 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. 0 divided by 9 equal to 0. 0 divided by 10 equal to 0. When here first 0 coming, you write here 0 number. This one is very important, students. 0 divided by 15 come 0. 0 divided by 18 equal to 0. Okay students. And here 17 divided by 17 equal to dash here, students. When here both also number same coming, no, you write here one number. Okay students, 17 divided by 17, here also 17, here also 17, and here divided by 17 divided by 17 coming, when here same number coming, you write here one number. You see there, students. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. 9 divided by 9 equal to 1. 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. When here same number coming, the answer is 1 coming. Okay students. And here C1 is there. Here students, you see there, here 4 number. The answer is 1 number. When coming 1 here, both also same number coming, no, that time here answer 1 coming. Otherwise you write here 4 number. Okay students, you see there. Divided by 5 equal to 1. Here dash is there. When coming this one number, when both also same number coming, no, that time here 1 coming. Here 5 coming means here filling the blanks also 5 coming. Here 8 divided by dash divided by 8 equal to 1. Here when 1 coming, here both also when same number coming, no, that time the answer is 1 coming. You write here 8. 8 divided by 8 equal to 1 is there. And here students, 6 divided by 1 equal to 1. Sorry students, 6 divided by 1 equal to, here write 6. 6 divided by 1 equal to 6. Okay students, when here middle place 1 coming, the number here, the number coming, number itself coming. 9 divided by 1 equal to 9. 10 divided by 1 equal to 10. This one is very important. When here 0 coming, you write here 0. When here both number is same coming, you here answer is 1 coming. And here number and here 1 coming, when number and 1 number coming, the number itself here write. Okay students, the number right here. This one is very important, students. And here students, match the following. 20 divided by 1. Here number itself, here 20 is there, otherwise this 20 number is coming, 1 is there. 16, both also same coming here, students. 16 divided by 16, the answer is 1 coming. This one is 2. And here students, 7 divided by 0. Here first 7 number coming, otherwise this one is no meaning. Here write no meaning. Third one. And 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 means the answer is 2 coming here students. Okay. Here write 4 number. And here 0 divided by 30. Here first 0 coming, no, otherwise the answer is 0. Here 0 is there, 5 is there. And 14 divided by 1. Here 14 first number is there, and here 1, no, otherwise 14 number same here coming students. Okay students.